Hello, and welcome to the Health Room Reviews. If you are looking for an honest review on diabetes freedom, then this video is for you. This review will help you understand if this diabetes program really works as promised, from the customer reviews to the supplement quality and side effects. To help you decide if this product is indeed worth buying or not, we have prepared the following information that may help you in making the right decision. 1. What is diabetes freedom? How does diabetes freedom work in curing type 2 diabetes? 2. How does one follow the diabetes freedom program? 3. Who is the creator of diabetes freedom? 4. What are customers saying about this product? 5. What are the pros and cons? Lastly, we will answer the most important question, as to whether it is worth buying or not. Having said all that, let's jump right into our review. First, what is diabetes freedom and what can it do for you? Diabetes freedom is a step-by-step program that lets you find ways to reduce symptoms of type 2 diabetes through natural techniques. The program aims to give its users a natural way to control insulin levels, sugar levels, and so on. It is a 2-month program that aims to help you flush fatty deposits from your body through a regulated diet and exercise. These fatty deposits can aggravate diabetes symptoms. It provides you with little fixes not given by your regular doctors that contribute to the bigger goal of relieving you of type 2 diabetes symptoms and providing you with a natural way to regulate it. Well, this is a bold claim from the creator of the product, and we will find out if this claim is true or not, as we go along with this review. How does diabetes freedom work in curing type 2 diabetes? In type 2 diabetes, the body's ability to produce insulin decreases. Insulin is unable to absorb sugar from the food eaten, and so excess sugar remains in the bloodstream, later causing type 2 diabetes. For the secretion of insulin and the proper functioning of the pancreas, a dosage of phytonutrients is necessary. Diabetes freedom guides you in adding to your diet some powerful natural ingredients that consist of these phytonutrients. How does one follow the diabetes freedom program? Diabetes freedom is only a 3-step program that one needs to follow. Diabetes freedom also comes with video packages that give instructions. The 3 steps are as follows. Step 1. The Pancreas Restart Nutrition Plan. This step is aimed at burning the toxic fats that get accumulated and block the pancreas from secreting insulin and functioning with efficiency. The ingredients that are mentioned in this step help in killing white fat and letting our organs function properly once again. Step 2. The Brown Fat Boosting Blueprint. An increase in brown fat leads to the destruction of the dangerous white fat. The melting of white fat is very much essential. In this step, the Diabetes Freedom Program consists of the following: a video consisting of a 2-minute routine that is easy to do and which helps in the fat burning process. The video also reveals 3 blood sugar lowering drinks that you can consume if you've been on a little vacation to a restaurant. Step 3. Meal timing strategies that eradicate type 2 diabetes. There are particular timings that one should eat certain foodstuff. In this step, instructions are given that help you time your meals. What food items can be eaten at what hour of the day is what this step discusses. Who is the creator of diabetes freedom? George Riley, the author of Diabetes Freedom, is neither a renowned doctor nor a nutritionist. You might be surprised as to how he came up with a program that's working for thousands. Well, George is a former type 2 diabetic. His condition was worsening despite taking several medications to relieve his symptoms. It all came to a point at which he got his leg amputated. It was at this time that he sought to find another doctor. And his second doctor revealed a lot of secrets to him. For starters, he found out the list of adverse effects the medications were having on his overall health. He also learned that controlling diabetes is also possible through natural ways free of side effects. George got much better, and his conditions haven't worsened 2 months since he started using the program he created with his doctor. Seeing the world struggling with diabetes, George decided to introduce his program in the market. Diabetes Freedom Customer Reviews. The book has several positive consumer reviews online from different third-party sources. A few users online complained about the length of the program because the Diabetes Freedom Plan and the workout listed may require some time to complete the entire guide. Who should use Diabetes Freedom? Anyone diagnosed with type 2 diabetes should look into this program. That is irrespective of their gender and age. Using natural medications and remedies will always be better for you. Moreover, this guide just contains meal recipes. There's no risk of side effects associated with this method. Moreover, people who have been struggling with financial issues after being diagnosed with diabetes must try this program. Diabetes Freedom Scam. There have been many rumors out there that some unknown websites try to sell fake diabetes freedom cure guides. It is highly recommended to buy the program only from the original website since you can get the full money back. We will provide a link below to the official website to help you avoid buying from scammers. What are the pros and cons? Let's start with the pros first. Research-backed approach. A lot of research has gone behind diabetes freedom. It took several years and testings to make the final product. Multi-purpose. The Diabetes Freedom Program isn't just about treating diabetes. It can also help you lose excess fat and improve the body's functioning using natural methods. Mobility. The solution comes in tutorial videos so that you can take it anywhere with you. It's just like watching a YouTube video, although it is much more focused and effective. Money-back guarantee. Rarely do online health programs assure anything. They make claims, sell them to you, and then vanish. But the Diabetes Freedom Program comes with a money-back guarantee that you can avail if it doesn't have visible effects on you. Energy boost. The program helps improve metabolism, and thus recipes are crafted such that they boost the overall energy of the body. On the other hand, here are the cons. Only available on the official website, so be careful with fake products. You'd need an internet connection to get access to the program. You can't get it without proper connectivity, although it is possible to download it after buying. It might take a considerable time for the program to make its effect because it depends on your readiness to follow the instructions strictly. It's no medication that will provide you with instant relief. How to buy Diabetes Freedom. You can buy the Diabetes Freedom Program from their official website in just $37. The ebook is exclusively available on their official website, and you wouldn't want to get trapped in Amazon products of the same name. It comes with an additional 3 bonus programs, including 33 Power Foods and Fat Burning Blueprint, to go with the comprehensive tutorial. The program also comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. But you'd need to use it for at least 45 days before complaining. You can contact their customer service to claim a refund at any time. It doesn't take more than 48 hours to process the refund back into your account though. Diabetes Freedom Reviews, final thoughts. You need to understand the concept of insulin resistance to trust this product. Knowing how sticky fat cells prevent the pancreas from working correctly goes a long way in understanding the importance of this program. The program isn't the alternative to doctor-prescribed medicines. But it can certainly relieve you of the symptoms if you apply the tips for a considerable time. If customer reviews are to go by, we are quite pleased with how they have turned out to be. But it can depend on how good you are in following the instructions from the program. So you might not yield the desired effects as others did. But looking at the failing treatments and remedies in the market, it won't be a bad idea to test this one too, especially since it's natural. In case you feel this product is right for you, make sure to purchase it from the official website in the description box below. Thanks for watching The Health Room Reviews.